Imagine waking up, opening your email, and finding out your company is reducing jobs because of AI. That's exactly what's happening right now. Hello everyone, this is Junaid Islam, founder and CEO of Sparking Asia. Recently, major companies like Oracle, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, and even Upwork started restructuring teams while focusing heavily on AI and automation. And honestly, this is a huge warning sign for the future of work. Because companies are changing fast. Businesses now want smaller teams, faster systems, and people who know how to use AI effectively. But here's the important part most people are missing. AI is not only removing jobs, it's creating a completely new economy. Right now, companies are actively looking for AI-skilled freelancers, automation experts, AI content creators, video editors, prompt engineers, smart remote workers. And this is why freelancing platforms like Upwork are becoming even more important in 2026. The freelancers who learn AI today will have a massive advantage tomorrow. Because the future doesn't belong to the strongest workers anymore. It belongs to the most adaptable ones. If you want more videos about Upwork, AI, freelancing, and online income, make sure you subscribe right now. And comment below. Do you think AI will create more jobs or replace them?